In concept 2, question A, we're going to deal with the f function, and the notation implies with the 11 inside parentheses that we're going to plug that 11 into the f function where the x goes. So that means instead of worrying about the left side, which is really just the function's name, we're going to focus on putting that 11 into the spot with x, which means what we're really simplifying is 3 over 11 plus 4. Since we don't have to worry about anything else, it's just a matter of simplifying this expression. On the bottom, 11 plus 4 is 15. So we're really dealing with 3 over 15, which is a fraction, but it can reduce. 3 and 15 are both divisible by 3. If we reduce by 3 on top, that leaves us 1. If we reduce by 3 on top, that leaves us 5. So our final fraction is 1 over 5. A few people on the last quiz tended to forget that 1 over, and they just told me that the answer was 5. Just make sure, if the bottom of the fraction is bigger than the top, that means we have to stay consistent. The bottom of the fraction always needs to be bigger than the top, and we need to make sure that we reduce it straight across. I'm going to do question letter B in the same video, only because letter B is almost the exact same process and exact same steps, just with a different function, this time the g function. In the g function, we're going to plug in -4. Again, don't worry about the left, that's just the name of the function. Really, it's plugging in -4 into the x spot. That means we have 2 parentheses -4 squared minus 2. Now, we do need to follow PEMDAS here, because in plugging in that -4, we now have some decisions to make. According to PEMDAS, the first things we need to take care of are the parentheses and exponents. So let's quickly do that first. We have 2 parentheses, or times, -4 squared. -4 times -4 is positive 16. So remember, that square means this answer comes out positive when we square it. So now we have 2 times 16 minus 2. 2 times 16 should be 32, minus 2 should be 30, which means that g of -4 comes out to be 30. Remember, with both problems A and B, when the number inside the parentheses is literally inside, that means it gets plugged in to the function.